It's already raining over here. I don't know why, but I'm just so scared. I'm not afraid of rain or anything, it's just that today I just feel an overwhelming sense of dread. Fear for what's to come. This moment will never be as good as the moments you have before. You know? Sometimes I just feel like I want to come to ball and disappear from the world. To just spectate. Wouldn't that be so nice? If we could just watch what's going on around the world instead of just living it. If the world doesn't end in 2023, it definitely will in 2024. What is this, foreshadowing or something like that? Either way, just pray that 2023 is better than 2022. Or 1. Or 0. Happy New Year.